So, hello, Giselle.
Hi.
So, today we will have speaking assessment. I would like you to retell the video you have watched in the class. It's entitled A Picture of Health. You need to use present tense and present perfect tense. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, three, two, one, and let's go.
So Helen feels ah so Helen feels lazy to go to office or work. So Helen is pretended to be so Helen has pretended to be sick to not go to office and when Helen's friends know it, so when they yeah, I forgot. Wait. So when Helen's friend know that Helen is sick, th- um, so they will bring something will bring something to Helen. Yeah. And then after they left to go to work, to go to office, um, Helen opened her drawer and ate snacks and drank a lot of soda. After Helen's friend came to to house or home, and then what is the name? Her friends bring soup and medicine for her, and then after that, when they ask, "Have you eaten or drunk any? Have you eaten or drunk something for 5 hours?" And then Helen says no. And after that, Helen's crush, yes, Helen's crush Simon go to her go to go to goes to Helen's house to visit her, and then Simon says Simon says and Simon bought two band has bought two tickets band, but Helen was sick. Helen has sick has been sick. So Simon so so Simon what is sajak invite Jane to go to band together, and Helen and then Helen got the karma. Yes.
We go to the Q&A. Do you think, in your opinion, how many times has Helen pretended to be sick?
I think it's her first time.
Oh, it's her first time. Okay. If you have you ever lied to your parents that you are sick?
Never.
No,
No,
I
no, I
have
no, I have been
never. Okay. Why you haven't lied to your parents?
because when I lie to go to school, I never lie to go when I'm sick to go to school because I want to meet my friends.
Because you want to meet your friends. How long you have studied at the GV so far?
I don't know. I think like the early I've studied. I think yeah, I have studied in TGV in here.
Yeah, in here.
I don't know.
They just count. What do you think? For around?
What
Around
TGV2 has opened?
2025.
2025. I don't know.
Around
TGV.
1 year.
I don't know. I think.
Yeah, around 1 year actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you
Yeah.
tell? Say,
2025.
yeah, you
Blah blah
can tell
blah.
it. How long have you studied at the GV
I've
so far?
studied TGV. I've studied in TGV since 2025
125.
to
2000.
2025. It's Majapahit, I
So
think.
it's for about
1 year.
1 year. Okay. What have you improved so far? Maybe from skills like you're listening, like what you speaking now, like what you're writing, or anything, or maybe as simple as your confidence now. It's getting better.
Confident.
Try a lot to think. Try to say. I mean,
What
I have improved.
I have improved in TGV is confident.
How? Explain.
Like
Before like that, now like that.
before, I was so shy because I don't have friends, but now I have friends, so I be confident.
Else?
And then I speak English or yeah, in front of I don't feel shy.
Okay. What have you eaten today?
Rice.
Make it complete.
Uh,
If I ask
I
question,
I
I want to see can you use the grammar.
I
I don't need the answer actually. I want you. If I ask you, what have you eaten today so far? I don't need the answer rice or what. I need you to use the present perfect. I have eaten.
I
Okay.
have eaten rice and yes.
Only rice. So poor you.
How come
No, so poor it means
rice,
kasihan, not poor.
rice,
And
chicken,
okay,
egg, and curry?
curry. Okay.
Yes,
Um, what have you studied at school today?
nothing. I haven't studied in
Any?
school
Why?
because I have competition.
Oh, what competition did you guys have today?
17 August.
Uh, what competition um have you and your friends joined today?
Yell yell.
We have joined.
We have joined yell yell. What
Sing
is
me the yell yell.
I forgot
How can you only forget?
because it's so long.
Okay. So ask me then one question in present. Any question present perfect?
Have you drink coffee?
Drank
Have you drunk any coffee
today?
today?
No, I haven't.
Why?
Because I tried to decrease my coffee consumption
Yes.
only 3 times a week because I need to sleep
Inside.
early.
So you only drink tea, water,
No, only water.
also healthy. Me too.
Not healthy actually. I feel sleepy in afternoon. But that's okay. At least I can sleep earlier. You drink only water? Good.
Yes, I'm
Nice.
drink so
So
many
healthy.
water.
Okay, then.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much and bye bye.